Do you know why tetraoxosulphate 6 acid is regarded as the mother of other acids? Now take your popcorn, relax. I will explain everything bit by bit. Examples of other acids are hydrochloric acid, trioxonitrate 5 acid, tetraoxophosphate 5 acid, and hydrofluoric acid. Now, all these acids can be produced from tetraoxosulphate 6 acid. That is why tetraoxosulphate 6 acid is regarded as their mother. Now, how does it take place? You know, every acid has its salt. Therefore, the salts of these acids I've mentioned are very crucial to the production of these acids from the mother acid. That means that when these mother acids eventually reacts with the salts of these acids, the result is always these acids, who are chemical siblings sharing one mother. For instance, let's take the salt of hydrochloric acid, like sodium chloride. Let us now react sodium chloride with tetraoxosulphate 6 acid. What happens is that sodium ion from sodium chloride will displace hydrogen from the acid, and we have a salt, a new salt known as sodium tetraoxosulphate 6. And then the hydrogen ion from tetraoxosulphate 6 acid will combine with chlorine in sodium chloride to form hydrochloric acid. But the real form of it is hydrogen chloride gas, which will now be dissolved in water to form an areneous acid, hydrochloric acid aqueous. And this is now the new acid produced from the mother acid. You can now see that tetraoxosulphate 6 acid is the mother of hydrochloric acid. Let's take another instance. Take the mother acid tetraoxosulphate 6 acid and take the salt of trioxonitrate 5 acid, like sodium trioxonitrate 5. In this salt, sodium ion will displace hydrogen ion in the mother acid to yield a new salt, which is sodium tetraoxosulphate 6. And as expected, the hydrogen ion that was displaced will attack the trioxonitrate 5 ion to form a new acid, which is obviously trioxonitrate 5 acid. Because this trioxonitrate 5 acid was displaced from the salt sodium trioxonitrate 5 when it reacted with tetraoxosulphate 6 acid. It is now logical to say that tetraoxosulphate 6 acid is the mother of trioxonitrate 5 acid. Now, number 3, let us produce tetraoxophosphate 5 acid by reacting the mother acid with its salt. Let's take the salt of tetraoxophosphate 5 acid as calcium tetraoxophosphate 5. As usual, what happens is displacement. Calcium will displace hydrogen in the mother acid to create a new salt, calcium tetraoxosulphate 6. And of course, the displaced hydrogen will attack tetraoxophosphate 5 to form the new acid, tetraoxophosphate 5 acid. You can see that tetraoxophosphate 5 acid was displaced from its salt when the mother acid attacked the salt. Therefore, tetraoxosulphate 6 acid is the mother of tetraoxophosphate 5 acid. Let's take the last one, production of hydrofluoric acid. Let's react the salt of hydrofluoric acid, which is calcium fluoride, with the mother acid. Expectedly, calcium will displace hydrogen in the mother acid to create a new salt, which is calcium tetraoxosulphate 6, and hydrogen will attack the fluoride to create hydrogen fluoride gas. And of course, it is not yet an acid until it is dissolved in water to form hydrofluoric acid, that is HF aqueous. You can now see that because HF, which is the new acid, was displaced from the salt when the mother acid reacted with the salt, it is now said that tetraoxosulphate 6 acid is the mother acid. To balance the equation, hydrogen is 2 at the left, right 2 at the back of HF. I hope you got value. If you did, share this video with your friends.